Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 43. Today we are going through Sooktha19 of Mandal 1. In this, the Devada is AGNI. AGNI means energy, and the other Devada is Maruths. Maruths is related with the structure of the universe. There are 7 worlds. These 7 worlds are built up of 49 Maruths. Thus, it is related with the structure of the universe. Each world is composed of 7 Maruths. Each world is built up of 7 Maruths, and there are 7 worlds, or total 49. These, like the planets revolving around the sun, these Maruths are also moving in a particular orbit, and due to its movement, these are influencing our activities. We know the planetary system is controlling our activities. All the program of this universe, the universe is developing day by day based on a certain program that is known as Paramatma. So, day by day, the progress is taking place based on this plan Paramatma. And this plan is related with the movement of the planets, that is related with the time. It is synchronized with the time. So, based on this planet's movement, our activities are controlling. So, Maruths also plays an important activity, and based on this, we are doing karma. For doing karma, energy is required. So, these two are going to explain in this Sooktha 19. Now, let us go through the first mandala.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-1. ഋഷി മേധാതിഥി കണ്വൻ, ദേവത അഗ്നി, മരുത്ത്, ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി. പ്രതിത്വം ചാരുമധ്വരം ഗോപീധായ പ്രഹൂയസേ മരുദ്ഭിർ അഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
This sutta tells Agni to accept our soma. Soma means inputs. The things we are going to give to the system is called input, and the system is converting it into the output with the support of energy. Because, for example, if we are cooking food, we are giving these inputs, rice, water, etc. in a pot. These are inputs and the system. And we are giving Agni also. That also is an input. So it is converting it into food. Likewise, all the activities in this universe are taking place with the help of energy. So energy is a must. So we are inviting energy, Agni, and tells Agni to come along with the Maruths. Maruths means that Maruths are controlling our activity. All our activities are related with movement of these planets and Maruths. So it is related with astrology also. Based on astrological planetary positions and the plan, things are taking place. So he tells Agni to come along with Maruths. That means Maruths also is influencing our activity. Now let us go to the second mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-2. നഹി ദേവോ നമർത്യോ മഹസ്തവ ക്രതും പരാ മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
It tells Agni that no human beings or no things is comparable to our power to do work. That means Agni is the most powerful thing. Though energy is required to do any work, it is the most important powerful tool in the universe. No man can overcome it because we know possess enough knowledge. But to apply knowledge, we should require energy. So energy is the most important thing. So we praises Agni. At the same time, we are telling Agni to come along with Maruths. That means that Maruths also is influencing that movement of that planet, the movement of the universe, universal globes are influencing our activity. Now let us go through the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-3. ഏമഹോ രജസോ വിദുർ വിശ്വേ ദേവാസോ അദ്രുഹഃ മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
In this, it praises the property of Maruths. He has no enemy because Maruths are supporting our activity. If we have any enemy, their activities are also controlled by Maruths. Enmity is between us, and these planets, controlling planets, are not taking place in that enmity. So, he tells Maruths has no enemies, and he is the knowledge behind all the things that is taking place in this universe. So he is well knowledgeable thing because every activity is controlled by that Maruths. So it tells Agni to come with such a Maruths because what all things in this universe is taking place, it is with the base of science that is related with the movement of these Maruths. So it possesses that knowledge. So you should come with that Maruths. Then only this the activity that taking place in this universe will become fruitful. Now let us go through the fourth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-4. ഏ ഉഗ്ര അർക്കമാന ഋജുര അനാദൃഷ്ടാസ ഓജസ മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്നി ആഗഹി.
It tells these Maruths are very strong. They are very energetic. Nobody can conquer this Maruths because that is the most biggest planet in the universe. It is like a planet, a globe. This Maruths is in the form of a globe. We are very big when compared with the sun, other stars, etc. These are very small when compared with the Maruths. So they are very powerful. Nobody can defeat it. They are responsible for producing rain on earth. We are thinking rain is due to the action of this low pressure or like that. But that low pressure likewise is taking place due to the movement of these Maruths. So rain also is influenced by the movement of these Maruths. So it again says that is related with the Sooktha. Sooktha means there is a science behind it. How these Maruths are controlling the quantity of rain falling on our earth. Because these rains are controlled by the movement of these Maruths. So there is a science behind it. Based on the science, due to the action of these Maruths and due to its movement, these clouds are also moving in our atmosphere in synchronized with this movement of the Maruths. So there is a science there. So he is acting based on science. So based on that, it tells Agni to invite Maruths also at the proper time. Now, fifth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-5 ഏ ശുഭ്ര ഘോരവർപ്പസ സൂക്ഷത്രസോ രിഷാദസഹ മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
They possess very good knowledge. They are intellectual. The most intellectual thing in this universe is Marus. They know what all things to do on earth. At the proper time, it will gives us enough water in the form of rain. Our controls minds are controlled by this movement of these Marus, like the other planets, sun, moon, etc., controlling us through our nervous system. Likewise, these Marus are also controlling our activity. So every program of this Paramatma is linked with this movement of these planets and the Marus, because it is related with the time. All programs are linked with the time schedule, based on schedule. So this time is related with the movement of these Marus. So it tells Agni to come with that Marut. Now let us go through the sixth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-6 ഏ നാഗസ്യാധി രോചനേ ദിവി ദേവാസ ആസദേ മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
It tells these Marusas in the Sooktha. Sookthas means above the earth. It is very far away from the earth. It tells they are shining there, like sun shining on earth. Likewise, shining on the sky. Likewise, like the sun is shining and all the stars are shining. Likewise, this Marut is also shining in the Swarga. Swarga means heaven, or in the upper world, or that is, it is far away. The structure of the universe we have already discussed. Now let us go through. So Agni should come along with that Marus. Now let us go to the seventh mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-7 ഏ ഈംഘയന്തി പർവതാൻ തിരസമുദ്രമർണവം മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
Maruts are the lords of these clouds, and it is responsible, it is forcing clouds to rain on earth. So due to the rain here, plants are growing and gives us foods, etc., and we are depending on such things, even including the animal. So all these are related with the rain, and this rain is related with the cloud, and cloud the raining is controlled by this Marus. So it tells Agni to come. For raining, energy also is required. So Agni should come along with the Marus. At the proper time, Marus will force cloud to rain. At the same time, to convert cloud into rain, energy is required. So Agni should also come there. So it tells Agni to come along with these Marus. Now eighth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-8 ആയേ തന്വന്തി രശ്മിഭിസ്ഥിര സമുദ്രമോജസ മരുദ്ഭിർ അഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
It is shining like the sun rays. This sun is shining with its rays. Likewise, the Marut is also for producing rays of attraction on earth, and due to which the oceans are water in the ocean are going up and down. So flooding etc. are taking place due to the movement of these MARUTHS. When it approaches the earth, no, even though it is very far away, when it's on its movement, there is a path for its movement. And when it approaches the earth due to its motion, the flood will take place. The water will rise in the ocean. So it tells Agni to come with that MARUTHS. Energy is the required. Then energy is required to raise the water, and flooding is taking place. Behind it, there is a great energy. So these are due to the action of these MARUTHS, and energy is helping for doing that such things. Now let us go to the last mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 19-9. അഭിത്വാ പൂർവപീതയേ സൃജാമി സൗമ്യം മധു മരുദ്ഭിരഗ്ന ആഗഹി.
Finally says, we are giving the inputs to the Agni. You should come and take it. So we are giving input to the, whenever we are doing any activity, we are giving input to the Agni, and you should take it. That is, for cooking food, we are giving rice and water. Agni is taking it and gives us food. So this is these such all other activities, all the activities in this world are controlled by this MARUTHS. So it tells Agni to come and accept our inputs or somam after coming along with these MARUTHS. That means in general, energy is required for doing any work, and these MARUTHS are taking part. So everything activity on this earth is taking place in this universe are taking place based on the activity or influence of these MARUTHS.